Yes, so my people, welcome back to Gospel News, where we dey give you ogbonge information on as e take dey go. We dey carry on enter inside Abia State, where our brother wey dey call Kepu TV don carry ogbonge information come out on wetin the able governor there wey dey call Governor Alex Otti dey do inside the town of Aba. They say that place now, they wan turn themselves to Dubai. Say all the roads wey dey for there, say him don handle all of them. Begin dey give all those bad roads quick notice, make them pack their loads, enter the nearest place where they no wan construct to around anywhere. Una wetin we dey carry enter now will no be small matter. They say inside Aba, make una come follow us see wetin Governor Alex Otti dey do for there. So we wan carry support go give the governor, the able governor wey be say he dey do everything when he dey in power to make sure say Abia State become the envy of Nigeria, so that other people go fit dey look there, begin dey do their own work. Make people no come drag our able governor enter another place, because he is worthy of the work when they do. Not be like previous governor there where they call Okezipas, where we say he no do anything, no, but this one, they say all the roads for Aba. Make una use on eyes, take see am. Share this video and make sure say it go viral, so that other people go emulate the good things when this governor they do. If to say na so all the governors when they Nigeria they do, by now Nigeria self for done better. Make we know the one way remain. Whether only hunger been a fuel price, the ones we know they inside the hands of the governors to control. At least everybody go face the federal government. But the problem when we they get, most times we say the allocation where then they give the state governors, they know they use them, do wetin they supposed to can do. But rather, they go they loot them, they put them inside their pocket to now make hardship too much. But assuming say the governors, they live up to expectation, at least all the people will begin put their focus on the federal government. Then we go know where our problems, they follow come. Make you no be like saying too much talk dey here. Will make una watch the video and see things for yourself. Don't forget to share and give it a thumbs up and like. God bless you.
Good evening, our followers all over the world. So, boy, Kebu TV on the MRC, and this is our quick update today, being Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024. We are reporting along the Kota Bene Road, very close to our almighty Edinburgh Hotel. This is kind of the completion of this ongoing project, because they started it around last year, December. So this is the completion. This is the federal road, but the state government under the Ministry of Road Maintenance Agency, as in Ministry of Works, and them they take care of it. Several over the years, these NDDC people have tried to fix this road, but due to their low quality and they deliver out of the fire, maybe this has been happening over the years. So maybe the state government now want to payment fully. Because all Abians, they use more. And then the federal Abanosa. So this is exactly what they are doing today. Being Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024. So Kebu is also here to tell you that we are experiencing kind of a traffic gridlock due to non-narrow. So they also block some axes so that the work can be freely available. So they are doing this, and Kebu will be here. They'll be showing the world within the storm and the part of the world. So boy, Kebu TV on the MIC, and you know they fear things. I'm going to fear us now. You understand? So keep it to me. Stay tuned. But we take you around to show you within the storm. So moving forward, you can see men of the Abia State Road Maintenance Agency, the Ministry of Works here in Abia. You were in Nigeria now? You were in Nigeria? Yeah, so we need to be showing you as the work, the progress. So this is the ongoing rehabilitation and also the asphalting of these roads. At least those traffic jam, those disturbances motorists always encounter flying along these roads. we actually be a thing of the past. Those disturbances, and also sometimes and they disturb some people here, especially in the night. Because I believe organized area, they're also gonna put lightning, lightning entrance road. I like everywhere up. I will also show you guys before we conclude this our tour or this our video. So anyway, kind of traffic challenge because everyone in a good traffic and today it's also a rush hour. So we want a serious traffic challenge. And then then I got various places people now. Yeah, the only roads the accessible, the only roads how we get to myself so many areas. That is why the government is also doing whatever they could to be able to fix and also get other access roads. Can we get to us? Yeah, you know. So and we're gonna be showing you within the sub. We're gonna be showing you within the happen. Yeah, today being Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024. Cable is here live to show you and also interact with our people within the sub because everybody are happy. The kind of transformation being recorded. Players are being recorded in this part of the world. The kind of transformation that we have been experienced here in Abia State, especially here in Aba. So everybody are all happy. Yes, so we're gonna be showing you gradually. Just stick on this dial. Stay tuned on Cable TV. Invite your people to join us and also share our videos. You're gonna love it. So moving forward, now there's certainly the same roads. But they buy frequency now station entrance and Jaba road and Umoba roads. Umoba road over the years since creation of other states. I've never witnessed this type of transformation. I will tell you for free, this road has always been impassable, always eager. But ever since the governor Brian Tipa, so and very soon they have been completed and our road from Umoba road to connected to New Omaya Road, terminated na Obikabia Junction. Yes, Obikabia Junction. So, also na Hubana Ebola, fully painted, road painting, road mark, and the street lights. Why no front and back with only square. The governor so much appreciates the power of lightning, street lightning. And one man impact the street lightning in terms of security and the movement, night movement. So when you look at this place, you can also agree with me that the man who is at the helm of affairs can fully prepared for governance. You can see how the whole road now looks good, now look sweet, now look believing. Yes. These are goes to all our investors, people that are having interest in Abia State. You guys are free to visit Abia State, Gospel State, because if I was able I can make sure to go to the road today so that you can get the clearer view of what I am talking about. Welcome to any City. Welcome to Aba. Aba can know here and don't name. There's no name. You're going on also. Thank you, and also stay tuned. Let us show you more. So here the junction is up the road in Abuja. Sorry, my video will issue. Yeah. So yeah, the junction is up the very Omoba road. Yeah, the junction is up. So as I say, make I just come more closer so that and then we other areas that I also needed to show you guys. So that the entrance and the Java, the Omoba roads. And not only entrance here, how neat and how sweet the road looks. After this, we'll be moving further. Maybe organize a drone and cover most of these places so that you will understand more better. Ma drone failure, can we get na ọ na-eme. Ya Kebukebu gị na watch taa Tuesday the 23rd of January 2024. Anọ n'ime Aba ebe a na-akpọ ụmụ obodo ka anyị ugbu a na so agakwuo ka nwere ike sikwu oge ma try ya na round up, but whatever you do, try to bring asakuru ụlọ, try to invest home, try to visit home. Try to remember your people know about because ebe ugbu a na-achawapụla, ebe ugbu a na was investors heaven, ebe people destination people now rush now for investment. So moving forward, you can see, watch closely how the road is, the road marking, the street lights, the ones we can be able to capture, and also the navigation, the beauty of the roads, and how what the governor have also put in place, what they have achieved in this very axis. Very soon it will be ready for commissioning because you can see how motorists now drive, whether Monday road sign, Monday road sign, they all drive freely. Before over the years, I can assure you, anybody who knows Omo Baro can also testify to this part that Umotube, Mbaba Rosa freely. Umotube government, Labia State, America Abawoza freely. The wage now buyer right now. They know when they buy America, they come when they see the government over the years. But now, that transformation with Omutelaha, office Tielaha, Onyola Wazela Ochi, everywhere Chakapala, or Hana Yochineke, or one reason energy at 2 votes, or one Henry energy every election. You can be able to come together to select a leader who can look inwards to serve the people without minding or talking about his own personal interests, putting personal interests aside to serve people. So Kebukebu Neighbor today, Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024, there's no to Aba there, there's no to New Oma Herodo there, Ochawapola, and so many things are happening. Very soon I will do a full report concerning this road. Maybe then I want to mount a drone or get it more easier for me to capture the shots and also show you how real and how loving these roads are. Yeah. The opposite total fuel station, which you all know, very well, I'm total fuel station. And about the strategic points, and most time accidents because of the speed. You control the speed together. Your na lot of the holiday. So as in Kamsukunu, Aba, Kamsukunu, New Omo Road / New Maha Road. They are all painted, Anine, Amalama, or Kebukebu Skobata, Ugusunu. Because I don't want to be on the talking side. You can also drop your question at the comment section as you are watching us. Drop your question at the comment section so that we can interact with you. Make it to be interactive so that Ijo Masa or one here on you are free to ask us any question. And we will be delighted and happy to respond to you concurrently, so that they will put it through within the sub. Thank you for watching Kebukebu TV. Thank you for always sticking around. Thank you for supporting our ministry. Thank you for supporting our brand. Thank you for the full line of this Undeme Dianyama. And we are also happy that you guys are showing us love. This is Kebukebu TV again. I watch. I don't need my they go some over. Thank you and God bless you. Always pray for our leaders. Always pray for our governor, Dr. Otti, so that God will give him divine insight to do more, because this is here after as a problem in Sawa. He has a good plan and God will surely see him through. Thank you. Here I watch Kebukebu TV. I love you all. ka mkpụrụ ga-echi ya ka ọ bụrụ chi ya kwa asị ka ma nụ ngwụ tu a ka ọ dị chukwu na-gozi unu. May God bless you people, bless every one of us for joining us today. Thank you.
I believe say una don use una eyes take see that video, so we want to use this opportunity to invite everybody say make dem begin come dey invest in Abia State. Say the place now don carry better development enter inside 18. So it is an enviable state now as e dey go so, and they say that the governor never even finish im work when im don start now. He is just 8 months old in office, and we don dey see the handwriting on the wall say this man is willing to make sure that Aba becomes the top notch in Nigeria. Thank you.